So let me show you guys what it looks like to take a walk on one of these very old Bangkok touristy paths with a lot of cafes and bars, because it's the backpacker district. I feel comfortable here because a lot of people here are backpackers like me. We stay in hostels or guest houses, which are not expensive like in other ritzier parts of Bangkok. But the wonderful thing here is it's so relaxed here, and you can eat till about 3 in the morning. There are a lot of Europeans here for the most part, some Americans, a lot of people from China and Korea. It looks really nice, thank you. You can sit in an outdoor bar over here. You can sit in any of these tables. And now we're approaching Khaosan Road, which is the true original backpacker street in Bangkok. There are a lot of tuk-tuks here, which are basically a massive scam. They take drunk tourists for a ride for hundreds of dollars, where it should be costing no more than a couple of dollars. But that's the nature of survival in any country. Old Bangkok, where I stay and enjoy the outdoor cafes and bars. It's still very early in the evening. My clock is not turning, but it's about 6:30. The nightlife starts at about maybe around 7, 8 o'clock, and this whole district turns into a massive party every night. Apparently marijuana or cannabis has become legal in Thailand, just like in California, which doesn't make a difference to me because I don't smoke, but for a lot of people that's really good. That's one of the outdoor massage places where you can get a foot massage, or you can go indoors and get a back massage. This is traditional Thai massage, so this is not the dirty stuff that you have in mind. This is traditional. They learn this in Thai massage schools, and if they're really good, they learn it in temples. So this is one of the pleasures of being in Khaosan Road in Bangkok. You can sit and enjoy the nightlife. It's still early evening at about 7:30, and you can get a foot massage. I'm getting a 1-hour foot massage for 250 baht. I hope you're enjoying this walk in Banglamphu near Khaosan Road. You can go to other areas in Bangkok which are ritzier and busier with massive buildings and nightclubs, but this is where I feel most at home. Very traditional Bangkok. It used to be simply very old Bangkok until backpackers discovered it in the 60s. And then over the last 20 years, it's exploded into a party district where people visiting Bangkok from all walks of life, all countries in the world, they come in here to have a good time. So we're gonna continue our walk behind Khaosan Road because the nightlife has really picked up. It's 9:30. People are feeling good. It's a Sunday night. Getting a Thai massage, chilling out, having dinner. End of a long day for a lot of people, a lot of tourists that go temple hopping, and a lot of touristy stuff to do here in Bangkok. one is the popular cafe right behind Khaosan Road. It's really an extension of the Khaosan Road or the district. So this is also a nice street, a little bit quieter than Khaosan Road. More restaurants, fewer clubs, a lot of sit-down places for massage. I've just had a foot massage, a semi-Thai massage, a traditional Thai massage, and I'm feeling really, really loose and relaxed. You can see in my gait and my walk that I'm feeling really, really good. So this is a really cool place to hang out. A lot of tourists catch the catamarans to the islands from here. And this is really an incredible spectacle to watch because the Lompraya high-speed catamaran is really popular in Thailand to get from anywhere to all the islands like Koh Phi Phi, Koh Phangan. You can see, you can understand why this is called the backpacker district. All the backpackers are here traveling around Southeast Asia, and Thailand being one of the favorite destinations for a lot of people, including me. Let's get to one of the places that I like to get my pad Thai, my seafood pad Thai. And you can understand why Bangkok really is such a popular destination. There's nightlife. There's life around the clock. There's so much food to eat. The best food that I've ever had in my life is Thai food. Well, you can say Italian food is very good. Japanese food is very good. Thai food is just a combination of spices and soups. And this is where I'm gonna get my pad Thai tonight. And these guys are gonna cook my pad Thai. You're gonna cook me a pad Thai seafood? Yeah, with no bean sprout.
Huh? With shrimp. Oh, okay.
With no bean sprout. Okay? One. So that's the place that I like to come. It's only 80 baht, like $2.50 for dinner. And this is really an amazing city to just come and just flip out, to enjoy yourself. There is so much to do over here. And it's just incredibly beautiful women. That's from my perspective, obviously, because I'm a straight guy and I'm single. And for your sweet tooth, you come and have your shakes, smoothies. You can have your desserts. A lot of sweet gel-like stuff. The most famous Thai dessert being mango with sticky rice, or white rice with mango. So, just an amazing assortment of street food. This is Thai culture. And even if you've got a queasy stomach like myself, the food here is so clean. You should really not have any issues having street food. Well, this is a very touristy area, so the hygiene is even higher than maybe in the less touristy areas. So, welcome to Bangkok. Welcome to Old Bangkok. And this is where I stay. Old Bangkok is Banglamphu. So the question is, should you eat street food in Bangkok or in Thailand? Yeah, go for it. It seems to be reasonably clean. And there's a lot of stuff that you can choose
อย่าโทษว่าปากกะยาอย่าโวย
to eat. There's a lot of people sitting and enjoying street food in Thailand, and it's the culture here. So partake in the culture. The backpacker district, Khaosan Road, the area that I really enjoy coming and staying, which is really incredible. Mango is available around the year, which is pretty mind-blowing because it's a summer fruit. Such a colorful city, Bangkok, with so much going on. And what makes it so special is it's a combination of cultures that come and mix over here. People from Thailand, people from the city of Bangkok or outside Bangkok. People from other countries, other continents, a lot of Europeans, people from the US or Canada. Now I'm beginning to see a few more South Americans, people speaking Spanish, Argentina, Chile, Brazilian Portuguese. There's so much going on in the city of Bangkok that you'll never be at a loss for entertainment, things to do, food to eat, fruit juices to drink. What time is it now? It's 9:30. To enjoy the amazing life that Bangkok has to offer, and the rest of Thailand too. It's the 10th, well, it's the 8th of January. The weather is really nice. It's pleasant, not hot and sweaty like in the summer.